Okay, I will start to share my screen, everybody. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So we will start our lesson. Okay. Good morning, everyone. Once again, welcome to our class here in Sarasat Samutsaran School. My name is Teacher Carla Circulado, and I will be teaching Science Matayom 1 for today. Okay, how are you all, students? How are you, students?
I'm fine. Thank you. And you?
Thank you so much. I'm good. What upon? And I hope all your classmates and students today are all good. Okay, so we will start our class or lesson for today. I will mute you first by reading first our vocabulary words. Okay, so if you are ready, everybody, I will read the words twice, then you need to repeat after me. Okay, let's get ready. Eaters, eaters.
Eat, eaters. Eaters.
Okay, very good. Everybody, please repeat after me. Carnivores, carnivores.
Carnivores.
Carnivore.
Carnivores.
Very good. Next one, herbivores, herbivores.
Herbivore.
Herbivores.
Herbivore.
Herbivores.
Very good. Next one, omnivores, omnivores.
Omnivores. Omnivores.
Very good. Next, mammals, mammals.
Mammals. Mammals.
Very good. Everybody, reptiles, reptiles.
Reptiles. Reptiles.
Very good. Okay, so for our dictation, you can get your paper or your notebooks, and we will try to spell the words that we just read. Okay, so for our dictation, we are using the anagram, okay? So there are set of letters that you need to unscramble so you can get the correct answer or correct word. Okay, so in your paper, don't forget to write 1, 2, 3 together with your name. Okay, so let's start the dictation in word wall, the scramble game. Okay, let's try to do the first word. Number 1, please unscramble the word herbivores. Herbivores. Okay, herbivores. You can get the correct answer by unscrambling the letters. Herbivores. Number 2, please unscramble the letters to get the word carnivores. Number 2, carnivores. And number 3, please unscramble the letters to get the word mammals. Mammals. You can get the correct answer by unscrambling the letters, mammals. Okay, so if you are ready, you can get your red pen, then we can check your answers. Okay, so the first word is herbivore. Okay, let's try to arrange the letters. Okay, what is the first letter?
H.
Okay, let's try to put the
H.
H in front. What is the second letter?
E. E.
Okay, and we put the letter V here and we arrange S. Okay, so perfect. We have the word herbivore. Let's read and spell together, everybody. Herbivores.
Herbivores.
Everybody, let's spell together. H.
Herbivores. Herbivores.
Okay, very good. So herbivores are animals that eats plants. Okay? Herbivores is an animal that eats plants. Okay, let's move on to the second word. Let's try to unscramble the letters. Okay, so the second word is carnivores. What is the first letter?
C.
Okay, then,
8.
then,
R.
and,
N.
okay, okay, it's correct. R, we put on the other one, okay? So this is how you spell carnivores. If you are correct, put 1, but if your answer is not correct, you can copy the correct answer, okay? So let's read and spell together again, everybody. Carnivores.
C
Okay.
Carnivores.
Okay. Then we spell together. C.
A
C.
A
8 RNIVORES. Carnivores.
Okay, very good. So when you say carnivores, it is an animal that eat meat. Okay, they eat meat or other animals. Okay, that is carnivores. Okay, so if you get correct, put 1. But if your answer is not correct, you can copy the correct answer. Okay, let's move on to the last word. Let's fix the word. Like we put M, A, M, and we put the M again, and A. Okay, that is the correct spelling for mammals. Okay, you can check your answer. If correct, you put 1. If not correct, you put the correct answer. Okay. Okay, so let's try to read and spell together, everybody. Mammals.
Mammals.
Let's spell M.
MAMMALS. Mammals.
Very good. So mammals are vertebrates, okay? They have spinal cord or backbone. We will talk about more animals on our discussion topic for today. Okay, but first, we have a question. The question, I use the wheel of names so we can spin the wheel to get the question that we will answer for our topic. Okay, so the question is, let's try to spin the wheel. And the question is, what animals eats plants only? Okay, we will answer this
Herbivores.
question. Very good. But we will find the answer to our topic for today. Okay, but before that, okay, let's try to get the topic for today, which is in Unit 2, Classification of Animals, Part 2. Okay, you can get your books and open it on page 25. Okay, get your science book and open on page 25 to 5. Song Ha. Okay, get your books and open on page 25. But before that, okay, I have a video to show for you. Okay, we need to watch the video first. Okay.
Retro way to group the animals. It's very simple. Plant eaters are herbivores, meat eaters are carnivores, and animals that eat both plants and animals are omnivores. The correct balance of an ecosystem depends on the presence of each type of animal. Now, let's learn about each type one by one. Herbivores. These are the animals whose primary food source is plant-based. The name herbivorous comes from the Latin word herba. That means green plants, and that's what herbivorous animals eat all the time: leaves, grass, and other plants. Some herbivores, like deer, horses, and elephants, have teeth that are adapted to easily grind vegetable tissues. These herbivores have evolved different type of digestive systems capable of handling large amounts of plant material. They generally have eyes on the side of their head, which allows them to have a wider field of vision, thus allowing them to see all the way around without even moving their heads. Herbivores can be further classified into frugivores, meaning the fruit eaters, granivores or the seed eaters, nectivores means nectar feeders, and folivores meaning the leaf eaters. Now let's study about the carnivores. A carnivorous animal consumes animal tissue, flesh, organs, and bone in order to feed and gain energy. Common characteristics include speed, strength, and keen senses for hunting, as well as claws and teeth for tearing and capturing prey. Many of them, like leopards, lions, etc., chase their prey and kill it with their sharp and pointed teeth. Some carnivores, including snakes, scorpions, and spiders, inject venom to overpower their victims. Other carnivores, like jackals and raccoons, do not kill their prey, but instead eat the flesh of dead animals. Animal blood and flesh contains lots of energy, so many carnivores can survive for a long time between meals. And now the omnivorous animals. Omnivores comes from the Latin word omni, meaning everything, and vorare, meaning to devour. So an omnivore will eat pretty much anything in sight. An omnivore is an animal that eats both plants and animals, which may include eggs, insects, algae, and fungi. Humans are genetically designed to be omnivores. Some common omnivores include possums, skunks, pigs, rats, and most bear species. Some reptiles, such as lizards and turtles, are also omnivorous. These animals have different types of teeth that help them to eat both the flesh of other animals and plants. Wow! Can you show the chart to your friends? Very nice. Now, you know a lot about herbivorous, omnivorous, and carnivorous animals. Stay tuned for more videos. Hello, friends. Today, we
Okay. Okay. So classification of animal, what they eat.
Look again. Okay, let's review. If you don't, you can copy or you can copy and write in your books, okay, for additional information, okay? So again, animals are separated into three groups, right? So the classification is the plant eaters, or what we call the herbivore, and the meat eaters, they are called carnivores, and we have the plant and meat eaters, they are called omnivores. Okay, so three groups which animals are divided based on what they eat. Okay, so he talked about each of this group individually. Okay, first the herbivores. He says that the animals that only eat plants. Okay, so herbivore meaning herba, from the Latin word herba, it means green plants. Okay, so herbivore animals, they eat leaves, grasses, and other plants. Okay, you can write in your notebook or write in your books. Okay, for additional information. Again, herbivore come from the word herba, meaning green plants. Okay, okay, it also says that herbivores, they have different type of teeth. Okay, their teeth is mostly wide and flat. Okay, because their teeth are specialized or designed to grinding and rasping trees. Okay, they have, most of the herbivores have wide flat teeth designed to grind leaves and trees. Okay. Okay, what's other important? Also, it says that herbivores, their eyes are on the side of their head. Okay, the eyes of general herbivores are on the side of their head. Okay, on the side of their head. And also, herbivore can also be classified into 4 groups. Class, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. So it says that herbivores can be classified into 4 groups. There are the fruit eaters or the frugivores. There's the seed eaters, which are the granivores, and the nectar feeders, which are the nectivores, and the leaf eaters, which is called the folivores. Okay, you can copy and write also in your notebook or in your books, okay? For additional information. Okay, so next, he talked about carnivores. Okay, carnivores are meat or flesh-eating animal. They eat tissue, organs, and bones of animals. Okay, so they can gain energy because most carnivores, they hunt or they chase for their food. So they have pointed and sharp teeth, and others like spider and snake, they put venom or poison to their victims. But other carnivores do not kill, okay? They just feed or eat animals that are dead already. Okay, I think that's our other important here in the video. We just review. And in omnivores, omnivores is the last one. Okay. It says that omni come from the Latin word omni, meaning everything. Vorare or vorare come from the Latin word means to devour. It means that omnivores eats everything. Okay, they are all eaters. Omnivores are all eaters. They eat everything. They can eat plants and they can eat meat. Okay, everything eagerly it means. They can eat plants and animals. Okay, and as humans, we are actually classified as omnivores because we eat vegetables and we eat meat. Okay, so I think that's it for our video. Okay, let's get back to the presentation now. Okay, let's get back to the other video. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, so I hope you also get the some extra or additional information that you can write in your notebook or in your books. Okay, going back to our proper lesson, which is in your books. Okay. Okay, so let's get back to your books, everybody. Now you can open your books on page 25. Okay, we will review what's on the video, okay, into your books. Okay, so in your books, again, we are separated or animals are separated into three groups, okay? There are herbivore, carnivores, and omnivores. Okay, let's talk about the meat eaters first. The meat eaters like lion, tigers, wolves, and hyenas are called carnivores. Okay, they eat flesh, tissue, organs, bones of animals. Okay, can you give me more example in your book of carnivores of carnivores? Okay, can you give me more example of carnivores?
Snake.
Snake. Okay, what else?
Shark.
Shark. Okay. What else?
Crocodile.
Crocodile. Okay. One more.
Whale.
Whale. Okay. Yes, because they eat other animals. Okay. So again, carnivores, they have different type of teeth. Okay. They have pointed or very sharp teeth that is specialized for eating meat or tearing up flesh. Okay, so they have strong teeth, they have pointed and sharp teeth. And they eat meat to gain energy because most of them, they run really fast because they chase for their food. Okay, and some for the sea creatures, they swim really fast because they look and chase for their food. Okay, but others like spiders and snakes, they put poison or venom to their victims so they can kill it and they can eat it. Okay, so that is the carnivores. Okay, the next one that we will talk about is the plant eaters. Okay, so plant eaters like cows, elephant, deers, and horses are herbivores. The plant eaters is what we call herbivores. Can you give me more example of herbivores?
Zebras.
Okay, what else?
Zebras.
Okay, very good. More?
Giraffe.
Giraffe, very good. What else?
Bird.
Bird, okay. Some birds eat, but mostly birds eat meat, right? Okay, what else?
Nope. Um,
What else? Another one?
Buffalo.
Buffalo, very good. Okay, this one, what is this in the video? What is this?
deer eat.
Deer. Okay, very good. They are herbivores. So herbivores, most
They
of
are
them,
eater.
okay, most of the herbivores, their eyes is on the other side of their head. Okay, so they can take a look of their surroundings very wide. Okay, and their teeth, They are wide and flat, like the horses and other herbivores. Their teeth are designed to grasp and grind some grass, trees, okay, other and plants, okay, and trees. Okay, so we have the first question. What animals eats plants only? Okay, what is the answer? What animals eats plants only? What type of animals?
Herbivores.
Herbivores.
Herbivores. Let's see. They are called herbivores. Very good. Okay, so now let's move on. Okay, the last one is the meat and plant eaters. Okay, meat and plant eaters, or what we call the all eaters. All eaters, okay? So humans, bears, pigs, and birds are omnivores. Okay? They eat meat and they eat plants. So they are all eaters. Okay? Omnivores are all eaters. Can you give me more example of omnivores? Okay, can you give me more example?
Raccoon.
Again?
Raccoon.
Raccoons. Very good. How about us humans? Are we omnivores? Yes, we are omnivores. Okay. Okay, we need to do it faster. Okay. So another, in your books, we also talk about the animals classified by body structures in details. Okay. So we have the mammals, birds, and fish. Okay. We also have insects, reptiles, and amphibians. And the last one is the crustaceans, mollusks, and arachnids. We will talk about this more on our succeeding topics, okay? We will focus one by one of the animals classified by their body structures in details. We will study about this one by one on our succeeding topics, okay? Just a preview of that classification. Okay, but we will focus first on the classification based on the food. Okay, so let's answer this question right now. What animals eats meat only? What type of animal?
Carnivores.
Carnivore, okay?
Carnivores.
Okay, carnivores eat meat only. Okay, very good. Carnivore. Okay, so for your exercise, I will send the link here in Zoom, okay? So we will do again on live worksheet. Don't forget to put your name and your grade and student number. Okay, you can send to me in line, okay? Don't forget to write your name. So I can put score and your grade. So this is your live worksheet. You put your name here and you put your grade. For example, Matayam 1/1. Okay? So we have 3 boxes. What do animals eat? You need to move and drag the picture to the correct column. Okay? We have herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. Okay, so you have to drag the picture. For example, the first one here. Okay? The first one, we have to drag and put in the correct box. Yeah, there you go. So you know what to do, right? You will click the finish and you need to check the answer and send to me, take a picture and send to me in line. Okay, so that is for your exercise. So before that, we will do your summary match up first. Okay, let's answer this first because our time is running already. So classification of animals match up. We need to match the correct picture to the correct definition or question. Okay, let's try to do it. Okay, number 1, what classification of animals eats only plants?
Herbivores.
Herbivore. Okay, are you sure?
Sure.
Okay, so what upon say
I
herbivores?
see.
Okay, the next one, let's have chanapat. What type of teeth does carnivores have? Chanapat, what type of teeth does carnivores have? Wide, flat teeth,
Sharp,
sharp,
or
pointed.
pointed teeth.
Okay, let's see if correct. Okay, we will put the box into the question. Okay, so number 3, let's have, how about pakawat, nokyo? What type of teeth does herbivores have? Wisan saya, monwiset. What is the answer? What type of teeth does herbivores have? Wisan saya, monwiset. How about chinatip? What type of teeth does herbivores have? Okay, anyone can answer? What is the answer?
Wide, wide flat teeth.
Okay, let's try wide flat teeth. Okay, the fourth question. What classification of animals that eats meat or flesh? What type of animal?
Omnivores.
Carnivores.
Sorry. Carnivores.
Carnivores. The last one. What classification of animals eats plants and meat?
Omnivores.
Omnivores. Okay, let's try. Okay, then we will submit the answer to check if all the answers are correct. Let's see. Okay, very good, class. They are all correct. Okay, so you will do the same with your activity. Okay, you have to drag the correct animals to the box. Okay, to the column. Okay, so once again, thank you so much, everybody, for coming to our lesson, to online meeting for today. Don't forget to stay safe, okay? We will see you again. But I will now close this, share my screen. I will stop sharing my screen and I will send to you the activity, okay? So please wait in the group chat here in Zoom. I will send to you the link for your activity. Any questions, class? Do you have any question? Okay, no question. Okay, so I'm getting the link now for your exercise. Okay, here you go. Okay, I already sent the link to the chat here in Zoom. Okay, you can try to open it. You can try to open it. Can you open it? Please check the the link that I sent in group chat here in Zoom. Whereupon did you see it?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So you can answer the exercise natapon. You see the exercise already, natapon? Natapon, did you check the exercise already?
I fired.
Yes? Okay. If you are finished, don't forget to take a photo or screenshot and send to me in line, okay? Okay, we have 1 minute. Then I will close this Zoom call and I will see you again on our second meeting for the review. Okay, so please tell your classmates and your friends that's in Matayom 1 to join the online meeting so they can do the exercise or activity. Okay, if they did not attend, I cannot give them grades or score because they did not do the activity. Okay, so please tell your classmates and friends to attend the online meeting. Okay, so thank you so much everyone again. I will end the call and I will see you again. Okay, kapun ka. Bye class, bye students.
Bye bye.
See, I don't let's